Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share Crunchyroll account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that you just need to go ahead and access your Crunchyroll. You can access it in your computer, laptop, or you can also access it on your mobile phone. Now the thing is that if you have been wanting to share your Crunchyroll account, all you need to do is simply go ahead and first thing is share your accounting details, login details basically. So if you want to simply go ahead, give the account once you have created, give the login details to the other person to log in on another device so they can watch it. Next thing is getting their mega plan. Once you have got their mega fan plan, in that you will be able to simply basically share your account with other people or other family members, and then that will allow you to be in the terms and condition of Crunchyroll itself, and you can share it and watch it together. Now those are the options available. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.